Brush up on your dental care with today's professional, featuring Lima Dental Associates, where you'll always receive state-of-the-art technology with state-of-the-heart care.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's professional. We want to welcome Dr. Wesley Shankland of the Lima Oral Sleep Center. Yeah, that's right, really. Well, what do you want to talk about today?
Well, George, we're going to talk about sleep apnea today. The Lima Oral Sleep Center is really an extension of the Lima Dental Associates. Right. It's my other home, if you will. Right. It's in the same office, but a little different division of what Dr. Rizzavato has set up. And there, in that section, we treat a lot of people with obstructive sleep apnea, which is a very dangerous, life-threatening problem. You know, we always have laughed about people in movies and in plays like you're involved with so much who snore. It's always kind of a gag that grandpa snored or something like that. But you realize that snoring can honestly be a real representation of a problem called obstructive sleep apnea. And obstructive sleep apnea can indicate closing off of your airway as you fall asleep. It can indicate causing a decrease in blood flow to your brain. And if that happens, you can predispose yourself to cardiovascular problems, stroke, heart attack, diabetes, obesity, depression, and even impotence, which what we should have said first was everybody listen to us, impotence.
Yeah. I would have got their attention right away.
God, get their attention.
But there's some very serious problems.
It's very serious. You know, a lot of people, you know, it's estimated that maybe 22 to 24 million Americans have obstructive sleep apnea. And to be honest with you, I think it's more than that, especially as people get older. But I've seen people as young as 6 and 7 years of age with this problem. Really? And what we do is we work with sleep doctors, and Lima is so fortunate. We have wonderful sleep doctors here, because I work with doctors here and also in Columbus. Right. And these people in Lima, at Lima Memorial and Lima St. Rita's, are wonderful doctors to work with. We have some down in St. Mary's and Salina. They're so good. I see the patient, bring them in, examine them, send them to those doctors. They do a sleep test. If it's mild or moderate apnea, they send them back to me, and we use an oral appliance. They also could have CPAP, and on our screen we've got pictures of CPAP appliances and oral appliances. And I think if you had a choice, you'd probably take the oral appliance over the CPAP. Both do the same. They get you oxygenation, they open up your airway, but they help you breathe better and stop snoring. But the most important thing is they decrease or stop obstructive sleep apnea.
Okay, so how do you go about contacting us?
Just call us at 419-228-7667. Ask for an appointment or consultation with me. I'd be happy to see you.
Any final words?
Keep smiling, sharing, and caring.
Thank you very much, Wesley.
Thank you, George.
And that's our report today.